everybody, I'm Emma, and today I'm here with two very special friends of mine,
Kevrelle
and Kaselynn.
And today we're going to be showing you guys at home how to make slime! Now, before we begin, we want to share some very important details on why we think slime is very beneficial. Me personally, I love to make slime because it really helps with my stress and anxiety.
I like to mess with slime or just make it because it's another distraction instead of just either watching TV or being on my phone all day.
Yeah, tapping into what Kaselynn said is very distracting for me.
All right, so we have a bunch of ingredients and supplies in front of us, and my two very special friends are going to show you guys what you need.
Okay, so for the first part, when you need slime, you're going to need some Arm & Strong baking soda because you can use it because it helps with the solution, and you can get it from your local Walgreens or Dollar Tree. You don't really have to go to Walmart, and it's cheap, so you don't have to really pay that much money to get it. And then you're going to need just a small cup or a little bowl of hot water because it's going to also help with the solution. And I would advise to get a plastic spoon instead of a real spoon because you can throw it away and it can go away in the trash instead of using something real.
Also, you're going to need your bowl to put the slime inside of it. You're going to need school glue, and you're going to need eye contact solution.
Also, additionally, I would recommend having a paper towel or some tissues just in case, this can get a little messy. All right, I think we're ready to begin.
Okay, so first what you're going to do is you want to put your hot water to the side and move it out the way, and you want to open your bag. I would be careful with this because it is baking soda, and it goes everywhere. So I would open the bag, and then I would get just 2 small spoons of baking soda and put it into the water. And you're just gonna mix and keep mixing so it will help with the slime, but you don't wanna mix too much or something like that, but just make sure it's good.
Well, what happens if you put too much in it?
Well, then it will make your slime really, really tough, Emma, so I wouldn't wanna do that.
Oh. Well, we'll try our hardest. All right, and I think we're gonna set this to the side now. And Kevrelle, I think we're ready to put the glue in.
Yes. Okay, so now after you let your solution sit, we're going to take the school glue and we're going to pour it into our bowl. Ooh. Okay.
Let's just hold it over as much as possible because a lot of the glue can stick to the bottle, so sometimes you're gonna have to squeeze it, hold it up over it a little bit more, and just make sure we get all that glue out because gas is expensive these days, gotta save those monies.
Okay, hold on. It's a lot in this bottle.
Yeah, it's a small bottle, it has a lot of glue.
Small, but mighty. All right, and Kaselynn, you ready to put the first part of the solution in?
Yep, and I just want to mix one more good time before you put it in there. And you don't want to put too much, don't just dump the whole thing. Just get 2 small spoons of the thing and put it into the glue. So you're going to get 2 little small spoons. And Emma is going to mix it for us, and hopefully it comes out right.
I'm sure it will. You just want to make sure you're doing everything slowly and surely because you don't want to rush this process because this is a very beautiful process with a very beautiful end result. Like Kaselynn previously mentioned, if you do too much, you can overactivate it, and then it doesn't really help with your stress and anxiety if it's causing your stress and anxiety, right?
No, it does not.
All right, just going to keep on mixing.
Okay.
All right. And Kevrelle, I think we're ready for the other part of the solution.
Okay, so now this is when you're going to use your eye contact solution. And you're not going to use too much because you don't want to speed up the process too much. You want it to take its time, so
just a little squirt at a time.
Yes.
And while she does that, I'm going to start to mix it just to make sure, like she said, we're not doing too much or too little.
Okay.
All right, do you want to go ahead and put some more in?
Yes.
All right, I think we can do a little bit more. Do some more?
Yes, one more time.
Or probably a few more times.
It looks like
However
it's actually
many-
low-key coming together, y'all.
Yes, however many
You wanna put some
times
more?
it takes.
Can you do them a little bit more square?
And also, you can add in glitter, food coloring, little small toys to add into there to make it your own. And just instead of having a plain white thing, you can make it your own because at the end of the day, this is your slime. So you do what you want with it. Have a little fun.
See, me personally, I love to put some pink coloring in here, you know, some little glitter, some little fun toys. Can I get some more, Kevrelle? All right, we're just gonna keep on mixing.
And it looks like it's coming together.
Maybe
All right, get some more. Give me one really, really good squirt.
There you go.
All right. Now we're gonna mix, 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 and mix in the bowl.
And look at that.
Oh, it's starting to look like some marshmallow fluff, but please, guys at home,
Please
do not eat this. All right, let's get some more. Let's get a really, 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 really good. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.